guys. Alright, so today we will show you how to use the content aware feature in Adobe Photoshop CC. It's a new feature and we will show you how to use it. Alright, so there are a lot of Photoshop tools and techniques to remove objects. The difficulty is to learn which tool will work on the photo you have. For difficult tasks, you want tools that give you full control. For easier project, Photoshop has tools that will do everything for you. It takes practice to learn which is the right tool for your project. Removing objects with content aware fill is perfect for those easy tasks. Alright, so here we have a some here hot air balloons, and we're gonna remove this one right here. Alright guys, make sure the toolbar is visible on the left side. If not, you go to window and select the tool right here for the toolbar to appear. Alright, so select the object. So we're gonna select the balloon right here with the we're gonna just use the lasso tool to select it. Alright, so use the lasso tool and it does trace around it to make a selection. Alright, just trace around it to make a selection. Alright guys, yes, so or let me show you. Alright, so our balloon has been selected. Alright guys, so you have two options to find the container. You can right click, fill, and select on content. You select content aware right here, and you can go to edit, fill. You find the same option right here. You select content aware, then click OK, and your air balloon has vanished. Okay guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our content guys. Alright, see you in the next video.